Once upon a time, there was the village of Do-Nothing, where, as the name suggests, people did, well, nothing. Even the sun did nothing. It didn't rise in the morning, and it didn't set in the evening. It was just there, every day, in the very same place. Children did not play. Choirs did not sing. Birds did not fly. Rabbits did not hop. Artists did not draw. Builders did not build. People did not eat. No one did anything at all.
Good day, fine people of Do-Nothing. It is I, King Grammar.
Good King Grammar was surprised that no one did anything to show they cared one tiny bit about his royal arrival. They did not clap, nor did they cheer. It was quite clear to the king, as he looked around, that the people of Do-Nothing were missing something very, very important.
You, my new friends, are missing some verbs. What are verbs, you ask? Verbs are words we use to talk about what something is or what something does. The verbs we use to talk about what something does are called action verbs. Without action verbs, no one would ever have anything to do. You, my good woman, could be a woman that dances.
I dance.
And you are not just children. Ha ha ha! You are children that play.
We play.
And you are not just a man. Oh no, you are a man that builds.
I build.
And that bird is not just a bird. It is a bird that flies.
Look at that bird fly, and that rabbit hop, and that man walk.
Ha ha ha! I think you're getting the hang of it. Action verbs make our world so much better because they give us things to do.
That means the sun can set. And the choir can sing. The stars can shine.
And the village of Do-Nothing is now the village of Do-Everything.
From that day on, after King Grammar brought action verbs to the village of Do-Nothing, it would never be the same village again.
Farewell, good king. Thank you for giving us so much to do.
And everyone lived actively ever after.